Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a little bit of chemistry. Today we're going to be doing a complex formation reaction. A complex formation reaction is when we have two stages. In one stage we're going to be having a precipitate slurry, while in the second stage we're going to be seeing how the precipitate slurry will dissolve when the complex will form. So for this experiment we're going to need sodium hydroxide, zinc nitrate, one spatula, one stirrer, one dropper, two test tubes, and take an extra test tube if you don't have the liquid sodium hydroxide. Something to keep the test tubes inside of, and two clean utensils with water. Make sure you also have gloves for this experiment. So the first step is to take your spatula and your zinc nitrate. Take two spatulas of the zinc nitrate and pour it into one of the test tubes. That's my first spatula. And this is the second spatula. Now just wash your spatula in one utensil. Then just dissolve it by adding 15 drops of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the next step is to take your sodium hydroxide and just pour 4 drops of it inside the test tube. If you have gotten the solid form of sodium hydroxide, don't worry. All you're going to need to do is add some water to it, and then you'll get some sodium hydroxide. I would advise you to do it in the third test tube I told you to take. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have a precipitate slurry of a white color. That's it. So now the next step, this is a precipitate, and we took zinc nitrate and sodium hydroxide to get this precipitate. I'm just going to keep that right there. If you don't get it, just try adding a few more drops of sodium hydroxide. And wait for it all to be white, like minus only on the top. It has to be like a slurry type. I'm just going to keep that right there. The next step is to just take 2 drops of sodium hydroxide. Take 2 drops of the precipitate slurry from the dropper. This is 2 drops. Now put it into the second test tube. 1 and 2. Now that is our precipitate slurry again. So now the next step is to take your sodium hydroxide and just pour a few drops into the precipitate. Now this is our stage 1, in which we have our precipitate. Now we're going forwards to stage 2, in which we're going to see how it's going to dissolve. For that you're going to need a few drops of sodium hydroxide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just mix it with a stirrer. Now over here you can see it's getting clearer. So now just mix it with your, just mix it like this and shake it. And then you'll see that we have, the precipitate is just dissolving over here. If it's, you're just gonna put some more sodium hydroxide if it's not working. Just keep on putting some drop by drop sodium hydroxide inside until it's all clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to mix it. Over here, you can see it's getting clearer. If we mix it, if we just put one more drop of, no, we don't need. It's already clear over here, you can see. There's no color in it. So here's a summary of what we did. First, what we did was we took some zinc nitrate, put it into one test tube, and then we just added some water inside of it. After that, we added sodium hydroxide to get this result. Then we put some of the precipitate into another test tube and added some sodium hydroxide again, and we got this result. Now look at the difference. So here we can see that over here, when we got the precipitate, then this was stage 1 in which we had the precipitate, and now this was stage 2 in which the precipitate dissolved. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch the next video. Bye bye!